Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Enriquez from Master Greek Channel, a faith healer, also matarders. So ngayong hapon na ito, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of April 3 hanggang April 9 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, spirit guide sa ating masasagot for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos of the week. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng adsaway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at Nikapal, siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Virgo. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, tuklasin at bubulabugin natin angel spirit. Please give me information po. Okay, there's something the lovers. May kaugnayan about sa pag-asawa, sa relasyon, pag-ibig, no? Ano kayang connection to about sa pag-ibig? Alamin na natin yan. And there's an Ace of Pentacles. So there's something guys, this is something a big money, big opportunity, big material offer. Maaring related to pagdating sa relasyon. Na maaring mayroong kang taong makilala from there's a new love coming in for you na may dalang malaking finances, no? There's something a resource of income, or it's either a boss, no? Or a leader. Basta mayroon siyang malaking offer for you. And there's the Queen of Pentacles, just being practical, how to manage and control your money, no? Kailangan na maging mature ka kung paano mo ito palalaguin, palalakasin, pagyayabungin, no? Let's see additional messages. So there's an Ace of Wands for a new project, new plans. Dito papasok ang mga panibagong idea, no? Bagong plano, no? This is something guys with a new spark, no? For a creative expression. Talagang bibigyan ka ng mga bagong idea dito. What is additional messages? And there's a Six of Cups. There's something a past person coming back, no? Maaring may bumalik from the past na tao, or either there's something a remnants, no? Maaring yung mga bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan, memories, remnants, situations, no? Maaring bumalik ulit yung sitwasyon na nangyari from the past, or kailangan maging handa ka, no? Na may babalik, no? Mula sa nakaraan. Okay. Additional messages tayo. There's the word can represent something of trouble. Meron naman dito guys, made of trouble. Magkakaroon ka ng trouble international. And there's something success and accomplishment na paparating. No, maaaring babaguhin yung bagong mundo mo dito, no? Let's see what is the lovers to represent what. The lovers represent with a magician for manifestation. I think this is something as soul connections, no? Na maaaring konektado sa ating Panginoon, sa ating gabay, no? Talagang sinasabi dito na maaaring pinagsama kayo, no? Sa isang chapter. When two hearts meet. Taray! Let's see what is the Ace of Pentacles. Ay, we have that. Oh my God! Ngayon ko lang nakita, we have a soul connection with the two heart meet. Love Oracle card. Oh my God! Gusto ko itong i-additional later, no? Sa part 2. Ay, so let's see. What is the Ace of Pentacles? There's a two-of partnership, guys. Now, meron daw talaga ditong about sa kaugnayan pagdating sa love life. There's a something partnership about sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay. Let's see what is the Queen of Pentacles. And there's something that with a Knight of Cups with an offer. May offer talaga from new work, new job. And there's a romantic proposal. Now, meron talaga dito, guys, with a higher level of commitment. Na meron talaga magpo-propose with an engagement, no? So, there's something on offer for you. What is the Ace of Wands? Referencing with a judgment, para pinapaalalahanan ka na you need to pay attention. There's a caution, no? Kumbaga itong babala at paalala na kailangan mo mag-pay attention sa lahat ng ideas. And of course, plano mo. No? Kaya kailangan ngayon pa lang, umpisahan mo na. Let's see what is the Six of Cups. Six of Cups represent the King of Wands, a vision. No? Bakit itong tao na to babalik? Bakit itong tao na to pinipilit bumalik? No? Mula sa nakaraan. There's the King of Wands. A look at the bigger picture. Lagi mo tititignan dito yung magiging posibilidad. No? Yung magiging kalalabasan. Ano ba talaga agenda niya? Ano ba talaga intention ito? No? Kaya kailangan handa ka. No? Na malaman lahat ng katotohanan mula sa nakaraan. Ay, ang ganda. Let's see what is the word card. Represent what? May pa-suspense yan ng atake mo, ha? And there's a refugio by your intuition. No? Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Makinig ka sa intuition and vibrations mo. No? Magkakaroon ka ng instinct dito kung ano yung magiging decision mo. No? Bibigyan ka ng paalala ng ating gabay na kailangan mong lumaban at makipaglaban. No? Talagang there's a trouble na maaaring kailangan mag-proceed ka. No? Na kailangan na kumaga kung may offer ka international, ilaban mo. Alisin mo yung pangamba mo, alisin mo yung takot mo. What is the Lovers and the Magician represent what? The Lovers and the Magician represent what? Represent with a Hermit card. Sabi ko na nga ba? This is something that the divine connections. No? There's a soul connections. Talagang pinagbuklod, pinagsama kayo sa isang chapter ng ating Panginoon. Gusto ko talagang malaman to, no? Ngayon pa lang excited na ako malaman kung saan ang gagaling to. Let's see what is the Ace of Pentacles and of course the Two of Cups. Represent with the Ten of Swords. Just be aware, no? May mga sumasabotahe sa'yo, no? With a partnership, may taong lolokohin ka with investment. Nasa-sense ko dito may taong nambubudol sa'yo about sa investment or something. Mag-ingat ka sa pakikipag-partnership, lalo-lalo na tungkol sa pera. Let's see what is the Queen of Pentacles, because the Knight of Cups, represent with the Temperance for divine intervention. No? Kumbaga, sinusuport, ginagabay ka ng ating angel spirit dito, na pinapaalalahanan ka na maging kalmado sa pagtanggap ng mga offer. Maging mature ka, how to balance and manage your finances and opportunities and offer coming in for you. Now, what is an Ace of Wands? Because the Judgment represent what? Represent with a Hierophant. There is a lesson learned. Matuto ka na. No? Matuto ka na from the past. Either matuto ka na sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo talaga, na kailangan mo magising sa katotohanan na kailangan mo mag-pay attention na kumilos gumalaw, no? Maging productive ka na this time, no? Kailangan mong may matutunan, may matuklasan pa, may pag-aralan, ganon. Let's see what is the Six of Cups, because the King of Wands represent what? Represent with an Ace of Cups, no? Oh my God, this is something a past person coming back, not because of love offer. Oh my God, gugulantangin at guguluhin ka. Magpapagulo ka ba? Oh my God, let's see. What is the word card with the Page of Cups? Represent with the Page of Pentacles. So there's a new ideas, new opportunities, and of course, new plans, no? And of course, sinasabi dito na magkakaroon ka ng mga bagong plano, bagong oportunidad, kaya dapat lagi kang handa. Let's see what is additional messages for the outcome. For the outcome is the Queen of Cups. Now, there's something emotional healing. Now, magkakaroon ka ng emotional healing dito with the physical and mental and emotional. No? Kailangan handa ka dito, no? Na para maging handa ka sa mga mararanasan mo. No? Maging mature ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na pagdadaanan mo sa ngayon. No? Parang hinubog ka dito sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo kung mauuto ka ulit. Let's see. One more card to clarify this reading. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a star card for healing and recovery, na makaka-recover ka na sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo. Unti-unti nang hihilumin yung mga nangyari sa iyo from the past. So let's see. Additional messages. Additional messages tayo. Ang ganda, there's a star. Represents something, a visual payment. No, parang magiging kalmado ka na dito. No, magiging masaya na yung puso mo. And there's a Queen of Swords na, kumbaga, clear the boundaries. Na mag-set ka ng healthy boundaries dito, guys. Yung bagay na hindi ka na ulit magugulo, no, hindi ka na ulit malilin lang. No, kailangan alam mo sa sarili mong grounds mo. No? Huwag kang padadala ng tension, huwag kang padadala ng emosyon. No? There's a drama alert. Mag-ingat ka. So let's see. What is additional messages for finances and career? Represent with the Six of Swords. There's a transition at unti-unti ka na makakalaya sa hindi magandang sitwasyon. And there's a Six of Cups, something a balance pagdating sa finances. No? Kumbaga, kontrolin mo yung magiging emosyon mo dito. At the same time, kumbaga, there's something of financial windfall. No? Talagang ulan ng biyaya, ulan ng magpapala dito. No? Tutuloy-tuloy na raw about sa pera. No? Kaya, there's a transition, laki ng pagbabago na mangyayari sa buhay mo. There's an Eight of Swords. Mag-iingat ka lang with the toxic environment, with the toxic people. No? Talagang lilinlangin ka, guguluhin ka, lalapitan ka ng mga utang, mangungutang sa'yo kita sa ibang bansa ka. Maging aware ka. Maging handa ka dito. Let's see what is additional messages with the Six of Swords. Represent with the King of Cups. There's a devoted sa 41st. And may taong sumusuport at gumagabay sa'yo dito. May taong talagang puprotect at kumbaga magpuprovide sa'yo. No? Talagang susuporta. Let's see additional messages. And there's something the Knight of Pentacles. No? Magkakaroon ka ng security dito. Magiging secure ka na pagdating sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. Mag-iingat ka na. Hindi ka na basta padadala ng matatalinahagang salita. Totoo ba? And there's the Fool card for a leap of faith. No, dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, no, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at panibagong pag-asa pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. No? So let's see. What is additional messages? Pagdating sa health mo, guys, there's a Death card. Mag-ingat kayo dito, maaaring magkasakit kayo na hantong sa hindi magandang sitwasyon. And because there's something health with the Death card, something in transformation, second life. Na may second life dito. Additional messages, and there's an Knight of Swords with the Success driven. See? Magiging mabilis ng pangyayari na to. No? Magiging mabilis ang iyong pagbangon at ang iyong pag-recover sa iyong sakit. And there's a Five of Pentacles in reverse, something recovery for financial loss. Malaking pera din ang lalabas dito. Malaking pera din ang mawawala sa'yo. No? Kaya kailangan handa ka. Hindi pwedeng kumbaga matatakot ka. Kailangan lakasan mo ng loob mo sa lahat na nangyayari na to. So let's see. Additional messages for the outcome. No? For all areas of your life, aalamin natin at bubungkalin natin. And because there is something, guys, with that Ten of Pentacles. Magkakaroon ka ng financial windfall at magiging masagana rin ang pamumuhay mo dito. Magkakaroon ka na pang matagalan. No? Financial security, long-term success, and there's the Moon card for a reveal. Ibabahagi sa iyo lahat ng bagay na dapat mong malaman. No? There's something, a dream coming true. Talaga matutupad yung mga pangarap mo dito. No? Kung ano man yung mga bagay hangarin mo, maaaring isa katuparan nito. And of course, this is something, the fourth survey intuition. Makinig ka lang sa iyong intuition mo. Na makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. No? Meron ka dito mga nararamdaman, especially pagdating sa madaling araw. No? Hindi ka makatulog, hindi ka mapakali, and there's a two of wands by choices. Piliin mo lang yung mga bagay na kakainin mo. No? Kasi hindi ka rin matunawan dito. Hindi ka rin matunawan dito. No? And there's a three of wands, there's a waiting for ship. Naghihintay ka na resulta, some of you guys. No? There's a trouble, guys. Na meron ako na sense dito with the trouble, and there's a success, and there's a recovery from the pain, and because for betrayal, talaga makaka-recover ka talaga from that. So guys, no, maraming salamat for this eksena for part 1. So, kung gusto niyo mapanood ang part 2 ng ating Angel's Messages, no, we have also with the clarifying love situation. So, alamin natin about dyan. And there's a what beneath, with what lies beneath, with a hidden future. Alamin din natin yung mga bagay na nakatago sa buhay mo. And of course, what is the path of the light? Magsisilbing liwanag. Ano yung magiging liwanag dito or magiging kasagutan, no, sa mga katanungan mo, and there's a yes or no. No, dito mo makikita yung gusto mong itanong. Pwede ka mag-question dito. We have a 1, 2, 3. So, kailangan mong pipili dito kang isa at kailangan sa isip mo ang question na yan. No? Kaya kailangan handa ka. There's a shadow works na nagre-represent ng para ini-encourage ka dito para magbigay ng motivation sa'yo. And there's a lot of messages and angels guidance here na i-represent natin ang ating gabay. So, dito natin napasok ang bagong eksena with the soul connections, no? Dito natin malalaman kung ano talagang konektado ng pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig mo. Diba? So, ito na. Maraming salamat. See you in the part 2. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!